Hey everyone! So yesterday I launched a new item in my shop. I have these wood cutouts that are going to come in a themed painting party pack. So this one is the cat, and this is the theme is the cat lady. So this is the cat, and then the coffee cup, the bookshelf, a purse, money, $1, and of course the lady. So these are wood cutouts that you can paint, and there will also be a few paint options that come with the kit, and the paintbrush as well. And this will all be $15. And these you can order from my shop, or you can order directly from me. And check them out. They're going to be a lot of fun to sit and paint, and you can have fun with your friends painting them. You can get a couple kits, have a good lunch, get together, all the things. So hope you guys like them and enjoy.